Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create an eye-catching UI thumbnail in Figma. Whether you're working on your next YouTube video, posting a project to Dribble, or just want your work to stand out online, the right thumbnail can make all the difference. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make one that grabs attention and feels uniquely yours. Let's jump right in. Now, although you can always start designing a thumbnail from scratch in Figma, I want to show you a smarter, faster way. We're going to take advantage of some of Figma's built-in templates and tools. Think of templates like the scaffolding for your project. They give you a strong starting point, help spark inspiration, and most importantly, save you a lot of time. So instead of reinventing the wheel, let's make the most of what's already available. First, go ahead and open Figma. Up at the top, you'll see an option labeled Templates and Tools. Click in there and you'll bring up a search bar. Now in that search field, type UI thumbnail cover. Figma will pull up a bunch of visually appealing thumbnail templates designed specifically for user interfaces. Take a moment to scroll through and see which ones catch your eye. Remember, your thumbnail is the first thing people notice, so pick a design that feels fresh and represents your work style or even the mood of the project you're sharing. Once you found a template you like, select it and click Open in Figma. It might take a few moments to load, especially if the template is a bit graphic-heavy, so don't worry if it takes a second. Once it's loaded, you'll see a fully editable template ready for customization. Now the fun begins. This is where you get to make the thumbnail your own. Take a look at the different elements. The background colors, the text, any icons or illustrations. Everything here can be tweaked. Double-click any text to change the words, switch up the font style, or even adjust the size and placement until it looks just right. Maybe you want to include your project's title, your name, or even a catchy tagline. Go for it. If you see placeholder images or UI elements you don't need, simply select and delete them, or swap them out with screenshots or graphics from your own project. Don't forget to play with the color palette. Maybe try matching the colors to your brand or pick hues that'll pop against the YouTube or Dribble backgrounds. A small tip here: contrast is your friend. High contrast color schemes tend to stand out more in a sea of thumbnails. If you ever feel stuck or unsure how to customize something, don't feel discouraged. Part of the power of using templates is that you get a foundation while still being able to experiment. Take your time tinkering, maybe even try out 2 or 3 variations before settling on your final look. And just like that, you've created your own attractive UI thumbnail in Figma, saving time, making it personal, and giving your project a professional edge. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see a deep dive on another Figma topic. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.